Okay, children, we have to start with question number 3. Yesterday we completed the question number 2. Now today we are starting with question number 3. Find the value of first one. So we have to find what is the answer for this. Okay. So 3 raised to 0, that means 1, we have discussed this. Minus, that means reciprocal 1 by 4, and this is 2 square means 2 into 2. Correct? Now this is 1, so we can write this 1 upon 1 and we are going to multiply both sides. What? This side means both sides means the numerator and the denominator. We are going to multiply 4 so that the denominators become common. So 2 2s are 4. Now 4 upon 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 into 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled, children, and the answer comes out to be 5. Okay. Now we are going to start the second one. Divided by 2 raised to minus 2. So this is the question. Two raised to minus 1 means 1 by 2. Reciprocal. This becomes, okay, this is 2 alone. 2 alone means this is 2 by 1. The reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Don't think this number comes here. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 4 and divided by 1 by 2 square. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Now this division sign changes into multiplication. We studied this last year, and we write the reciprocal of the next fraction or rational number, whatever you want to say. 2 square by 1. Okay, so now again 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Now 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is left? Only and only 1 by 2. So this completes the second one. Now we start the third one. Raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. So first and foremost we are going to make the exponents positive, okay, by writing the reciprocal of the given fraction. So 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1 square. 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1 square, and 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1 square. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 25, 29. So the answer is 29. Now we start with the fourth one. the given number. Reciprocal means this is 3 alone. We can write it as 3 by 1. So reciprocal of 3 by 1 becomes 1 by 3. Then 1 by 4, 1 by 5. All raised to 0. Anything raised to 0, answer is equal to 1. We have discussed this. Please go through that video once again. And any doubt, you can again ask me. This completes the third one. Now we start with the fourth one. Sorry, fourth one is over. We start with the fifth one. Minus 2 by 3. Now, using the formula a raised to m bracket n, where a raised to m into n. That means we are going to multiply these two. So, here you can write since a raised to m into bracket n is equal to a raised to m into n. We have used this law. Okay. Now minus 2 by 3. 2 2s becomes 4 minus 4. Now children, we are going to make this 4 positive by writing the reciprocal of minus 2 by 3, which becomes 3 by 2 minus to the power 4. That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are is 81, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are is 16. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus again plus. So the minus sign becomes positive. Remember, whenever the power is even, minus sign becomes positive. When the power is odd or the exponent is odd, the minus sign remains minus. Okay. So this completes the fifth one. Now we will start the sixth one. There is no sixth one. There is question number 4. Evaluate. Evaluate means once again solve. First one, 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to minus 4. So children, first thing we are going to do is we are going to make the exponents positive. Okay, all the exponents we have to make positive. So whichever exponent is positive, we are not going to touch this. That means we are not going to touch 5 by 3. We are going to only change minus 4 and minus 1. Okay. So to make this positive, we write the reciprocal of 8. Reciprocal of 8 will be, or you can say multiplicative inverse. It will be 1 by 8, and reciprocal of 1 by 2. Nothing is 2 is not on the top, no? So 2 is where? Down. So it will be 1 by 2, which will become 2 by 1. So let's do that. 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3 upon 8. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 raised to 3 to solve 8. We are going to separate 2. 2 ones are 4 the answer is 250. Now we will start the second one. Five raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. Let's start. So again, first thing children, what are we going to do? We are going to make the exponents positive. So 5 becomes 1 by 5. 2 becomes 1 by 2. And powers are 1 1, so we are not writing. 6 becomes 1 by 6. 5 2s are 10, 10 6s are 60. So the answer is 1 by 60. So we completed the second one. Now we are going to start the third one. So the third one is, oh, there's no third one. Now we will start question number 5. Find the value of m. Please let me take out chalk. So 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3, 5 raised to 5. So here. Now you can see the base is same. So whenever the base is same and there is a division sign, we subtract the exponents. A raised to m divided by b raised to n is a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Correct? So let's do that. So you can write here, since a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay. So minus minus becomes plus. So 5 raised to m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Now since the bases are same, we are going to compare the exponents. Okay. So you can write on comparing the exponents. M plus 3 is equal to 5. We are comparing these, right? 3 will be separated. It will shift to the right hand side and it will become negative 5 minus 3. So m is equal to 2. So the value of m is 2. So this completes question number 5. Now we will start with the next question. The next question is evaluate. How many times we have to evaluate? Again and again we are evaluating. So children, give me 1 minute. I'm just cleaning my desk. Sorry, I cannot go. There's no place to go. I'll go later and I'm going to do it. solve. So, first thing we are going to remove the negative sign from the exponents. So first we will solve the inner bracket. Okay. So this is minus. This is also minus. That means we are going to write a reciprocal of this and the reciprocal of this. So 1 by 3's reciprocal is 3 minus 4. Yes. And minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Why? Because 4 is greater and it is negative. So answer is negative. Now we have written this exponent here. We are going to remove the negative sign from there and it will become 1 upon minus 1 or only minus 1 upon 1 or only minus 1. What did I do? I wrote the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of minus 1 to remove this negative sign from the exponent, and minus 1's multiplicative inverse is 1 upon minus 1. Then I gave the minus sign to the numerator and then I only wrote numerator because writing this is one and the same thing. So this completes the first part of question number 6. Now we are going to start question number 2. 5 by 8 to the power minus 7 into, this page is little blurred in my book. So it is very difficult for me to make out the numbers. So supposing if I am writing anything wrong, children, please do message and let me know, okay, in the Google Classroom that ma'am, you have written this number wrong, because maybe I may have written because this paper is a little blurred. 5 by 8. Okay. So we are going to remove this negative sign from the exponent. So 5 by 8 becomes 8 by 5 raised to 7 into 8 by 5 raised to minus 4. Now see here, bases are same. So when the bases are same and we are multiplying, then we add the parts, correct? Let's do that. So 8 by 7 plus minus 4. So we can write here, since a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 8 by 7 will become 7 minus 4, which is equal to 8 by 7 raised to 3. Okay. Now we are going to 8 by 5. Sorry, children. 8 by 5. So now this is 8 into 8 into 8 and 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5 we've already done is 125 and 8 8s are 64. 64 8s is 512. Cube of 8. That's how I remember. We have done this now in the cubes and cube roots. Okay. So this completes the sixth question's second part. Now we are going to write. The third part is not there. So now we are going to start the seventh question. Question number 7 is simplify. remove the negative sign. Okay, so this is 5, 25. So 25 can be written as 5 square and 5 raised to minus 3 into t raised to minus 4 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. Now we can this is division, so a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So we can do that here. So 5 raised to 2 minus 3. Okay, into same thing we can do with this also. T raised to minus 4 minus 8 into, we can write 1 by 10 separately. Only 1 by 10 was left, right? Now here you can write, since a raised to m divided by a raised to n, when the bases are same, then we subtract the exponents in division. Okay, what we have done here. And if you don't want to do, then simply remove the negative sign and you can simply solve by dividing them. Now 5 raised to 2 plus 3 into t raised to minus 4 plus 8 whole by 10. So this becomes 5 raised to 5 and this becomes minus plus is minus, so 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 is greater, it is positive, so answer is positive by 10. Now 10 can go by one of the 5, so we take out 1 5 from here. Okay, so 5 into 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4 by 10. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Now 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into t raised to 4 by 2. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 into 5 is 625, but still we can do it. Check. 12, yes. So this is 625 by 2. So this completes, which question even I don't know because it is not written on the board. This completes question number 7, first one. Now we are going to start the second one. Very simple, children. Either you separate the remove the negative sign from the exponents, or this way we can do. Okay, this can be written as 2 5s are correct, and 2 and 3 together will remove this 6, correct, and 5 from here is capable of removing this 5, and this 125 can be written as 5 cube. Okay, so if you want to do that, we can do that ways, or simple method if you would like to remove the negative sign and doing it, we can do that ways also. So let's start. So removing the negative sign, this becomes 5 raised to 7 and this becomes 6 raised to 5 and 125, 3 raised to 5, 10 raised to 5. That's it. Correct? We have removed the negative signs. Now 5 raised to 7 and 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 125, and here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 to 5 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, now 3 ones are 3 twos are 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 3 ones are and 3 twos are. Okay, now 5 raised to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, whatever is left, children, that we are writing upon 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 5. Okay, so 2 ones are 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, and 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 5 is how many times? 5 is 5 times, correct? So 5 raised to 7